Hi guys, an update for the guys who like this pulse motor that I made from Poundland Lego clone type bricks. It was originally a digger. This little guy is supposed to be sitting in it controlling it. So this is the digger's arm up here. I can't remember what that was the bit that the digger actually rotated on. Anyway, we've got the base of a solar rocker here, and I put magnets on this circular bit, so it's now a pulse motor. But it was a bit intermittent in the way it was running. Some days I'd get up and it wouldn't be running at all, and I'd give it a little push and it would run for a few seconds and then it'd stop again. So I decided to change the magnet orientation on the disc, so they're north-south rather than all north or all south. And as soon as I did that, I had an instant problem. Underneath the base, I had this magnet to align the bottom of the needle, hold it in place. And as soon as I went north-south, the one side of them would be attracted to this needle, to this magnet, and the whole thing would tip over sideways. It'd actually be attracted that badly. It wouldn't actually touch because this was the underneath the plastic base. So I had to think about it. What could I do? And I thought, do away with it entirely. So instead of having the magnet to align the base, I've drilled a hole. You can see there's a small hole there. So now the bearing is the plastic, the green plastic surface. The hole holds it in place, stops it rocking around. We've still got a magnet at the top end here to align the top end. But now there's no magnet at the bottom. I don't know if it will actually self-start at the moment because time's getting on. It's 5:30 at night. The sun, well, it's been a grey afternoon anyway, but the sun's long gone. It might self-start. You can see it's nearly there. So we could sit and wait and see if it's going to do it. Or I could just give it a bit of assistance, blow on it to get it going. I'll give it a few seconds, see if it'll start on its own. You'll notice it was actually spinning when I started the video, and that was because I'd left it alone and it had started on its own. Oh, so close to doing it. I'm just aware this could take longer than you want to sit there watching. The main point is it's much happier without that magnet underneath it. Oh, that was going then, wasn't it? I could cheat and give it a bit of extra light. I wonder if there's enough on the phone if I turn the flashlight on. Or is it going to do it? I'd much rather it started all on its own, but we'll give it a bit of extra light, see if that's going to be enough. Can't wait. Still wants to be awkward. Turn the flash off again. Looks like we're happy. So yeah, didn't need the magnet underneath to locate the bottom of the needle, just a hole in the plastic, so it's now on a plastic bearing. Don't know how long it'll last for before it actually wears a hole in the plastic, but I don't think I'm going to need to worry about that for the purpose of this video. And this chap, just for interest, that was a separate video. The circuit is from one of those beam bots, which would normally be walking itself along the floor. I've just turned it upside down, and I've got Grandad sitting on it, and he turns himself around when the light shines on him. If I just, I'm going to put the light on, so ready for this? You see he's starting to turn very slowly. Yeah, I think we can see he's turning. That's a separate video. It's a much bigger panel than I intended him to use, but we haven't had much sunlight lately, so I've put that on there for a faster spin for him. I think you can see that he is turning round. In sunlight, he turns quite quickly. Anyway, that'll do. That's waffled on for nearly 9 minutes, so thanks for watching, guys. And that thing is now going beautifully. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.